Numbers is our second unit of this term. Children, now we are going to see estimating sums and differences. To estimate a number means to round off each number to its nearest tens, hundreds, and then add or subtract. Steps for estimation. Nearest to tens. Check the unit digit of the given number that is to be estimated. If it is equal to or greater than 5, add 1 to previous digit. Make the unit digit as 0. Example, 85 is rounded to 90. If it is less than 5, make the unit digit as 0. Example, 63. Here, in the ones place, there is a digit 3 which is less than 5. Thus, the rounded value of 63 is 60. Now, let us see example problems. Children, now let us see example 1. Estimate the sum 58 plus 73. Now, we know that to estimate a number means to round off each number to its nearest tens. Okay, and then add these two numbers. First, let us find the actual value, which means that just adding these numbers in usual method. We know that 8 plus 3 is 11. 1, put 1 above 5 and add all these numbers. We get 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 7 is 13. 131 is the actual value. Now students, we are going to estimate these numbers. Estimate the sum. How to estimate? First, we have to round off. 58 is rounded to tens. We get 60. See the unit digit. If it is greater than 5 or equal to 5, we need to add 1 to the previous digit. Make the unit digit as 0, as we know already. Thus, 58 is rounded to tens, which gives 60. Now, see the next number 73. Here, check the unit digit of the given number that is to be estimated. Here, 3, which is less than 5. So, what you have to do? Yes, you need to put the previous number as it is and make the unit digit 0. That is, we are round off the value 73 to tens. It becomes 70. Children, now write down 73 is rounded to tens. It gives 70. Now add these two numbers. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 7 is 13. The estimated value is 130. Here, rounded sum. Estimate the difference. Here, 33, 19 are the two numbers given. We have to subtract difference, which means that subtract 19 from 33. First, let us find the actual value. 3 minus 9. We can't subtract 9 from 3. So, when we get tens from the tens place, it becomes 13. 3 becomes 13 and here 3 becomes 2. Now we know that how to subtract 13 minus 9 and 2 minus 1. 13 minus 9 is, yes, it is 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. Here the difference of two numbers 33 and 19 is 14. Now we are going to find the estimate value. This is actual value. Now 33 is rounded to tens, and also 19 is rounded to tens because here two digits are present. Now students, see how it is rounded. 33, see the second digit, that is the unit digit of the given number 33 is 3, which is less than 5. If it is less than 5, we need to put 3 as it is. That is the first digit as it is, and the unit digit will become 0. Thus the estimated value is 30. And 19, see the unit digit, yes, it is greater than 5. If it is greater than 5, we need to add 1 to the previous digit, make the unit digit as 0. It becomes 20. Now students, here we need to take the difference for the estimated values. We know that 30 minus 20 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. 10. Here 14 rounded difference is 10. Children, now we are going to see exercise 2.4 problems. Then exercise 2.4, estimate the following numbers to nearest tens and then add or subtract. First here addition. Estimate the sum is given and then estimate the difference. Now students, first problem, 45 plus 93 is given. Let us find the actual value. 5 plus 3 is 8. 4 plus 9 is 13. The actual value is 138. Let us find the estimate value. For that, we have to estimate each values and then find the sum of these estimated values. First children, 45. What is the first step? We have to see the unit digit of the given number. Here unit digit is 5, exactly 5. If the unit digit is equal to or greater than 5, add 1 to the previous digit and make the unit digit as 0. Now it becomes 50. Here 4 becomes 5 and the unit digit 5 becomes 0. This is 45 estimated to 50. To nearest tens, that is 50. And 93. What is the unit digit? Yes, it is 3, which is less than 5. If it is less than 5, what we have to do? Yes, we need to put the previous digit, that is the digit which is in the tens place as it is, and make the unit digit 0. 93 is round off to the nearest tens, 90. It becomes 90. Now we can add these two estimated values. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 9, 14. Here 138 is the actual value. And 140 is the estimated value. And now children, let us do the estimate the difference problem. Here 78 minus 32. First, to find the actual value, let us do the standard method, usual method, that is 8 minus 2 is 6, 7 minus 3 is 4. So 46 is the actual value. Now let us find the estimated value. To that, first we have to see the unit digit. Here the unit digit is 8, which is greater than 5. If it is greater than 5, what we have to do? Yes, we have to add 1 to the previous digit and make the unit digit as 0. 78 estimated to tens and it becomes 80. And 32. What about the unit digit? Here it is 2, which is less than 5. So 32 is rounded to tens. It becomes 30. That is, keep the tens place digit as it is and put the unit digit value as 0. 32 becomes 30. Now 80 and 30 are estimated values. Now take difference. Now children, here it is difference problem. Estimate the difference. Thus here we are taking difference for these estimated values. Now when we take difference for these estimated values, what we get? 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 3 is 5. Yes, 50 is the estimated value. Now let us do the estimation in multiplication. Here is an example. A tourism company collected 95 rupees per head for a field trip. For one person, a tourist company collected how many rupees? Yes, it is rupees 95. Estimate the amount collected from 28 persons. So, this is a multiplication problem. For one person, the amount is rupees 95. For 28%, what will be the amount? We need to multiply 28 with 95. We get amount for 28%. 95 into 28. We know that how to multiply 2-digit number with 2-digit number. So 95 into 28. First, take the unit digit in the second number. 8. Multiply 8 with these two numbers. 8 into 5, it is 40. 8 5s are 40. Put 0 and put 4 here. 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 4 is 76. So 8 into 95 is 760. And come to the next digit, which is in the tens place. Here it is 2. Multiply 2 with 95. 2 5s are 10. Put 0 and remaining 1. And 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. Thus 95 into 2 is 190. Now we need to add these two numbers. 0, 6 plus 0 is 6. 7 plus 9 is 16. Put 1 here and 1 plus 1 is 2. Thus we get 2660, which is the amount for 28%. Now children, what is the estimated amount? Here we need to estimate each of the values. Amount per head here is 95. Amount per head, estimated amount per head is, yes, we need to estimate 95. See the unit digit, it is 5. So add 1 to the first digit, that is previous digit, make the unit digit as 1. This is the procedure to estimate the value, 2-digit value. And here 95 becomes 100 and amount for 28%. So 95, estimate each values and then multiply those values. So 95, estimation of 95 is 100 as we done here. 28, what is the estimate value for 28? Yes, it is 30 because the unit digit is greater than 5. If it is greater than 5, add 1 to the previous digit and make the unit digit as 0. Thus we get 30. Now multiply these two values. 100 into 30 is, we know that when 10 or multiples of 10 multiply with the number, we need to put the number along with the zeros in the tens or multiples of 10. Thus 30, put 30 and add these two zeros after the number 30. We get 3000. Now students, 2660 is the actual amount and 3000 is the estimated amount. Children, now let us find out how much the estimated amount differ from the actual amount. To find that, let us take the difference between estimated amount and actual amount. We know that 3000 is the estimated amount and 2660 is the actual amount. When we take difference, that is, we have to subtract actual amount from estimated amount, we get 340. Mental arithmetic. Able to add and subtract multiples of 10 and 100 mentally. Multiples of 10 and 100 are useful in counting large number of items and objects, including money. Multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on. Children, adding with multiples of 10. So children, listen carefully. Here when we are adding two numbers, that is, the one number is 223 and we are adding 223 with 10. Here there is no changes in ones place and hundreds place. So there will be a change in tens place. So children, listen carefully. Now 3 plus 0. Here we are adding these two numbers. So 3 plus 0 is 3. Any number with 0, adding with 0 gives the same number. And 2 plus 1, 3. And here in hundreds place there is no change. So 233 is the answer. And here 345, we are adding 345 with 10. Now children, only the changes will occur in the tens place, isn't it? So there is no changes in ones place as well as hundreds place. 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. 3. There is no digit in the next number. So we get 353. Here ones place didn't change when they are added to 0 and hundreds place also didn't change. Only the tens place got changed. Children, now we are adding 584 with multiples of 10, multiples of 100. So here 584 plus 100. here there is no changes in ones place as well as tens place. There will be a change in hundreds place. Thus we get 4 plus 0, 4. 8 plus 0, 8. 5 plus 1 is 6. Hence, ones place and tens place didn't change when they are added to 0. But in the hundreds place, it is changed. Now children, one more example. Adding 275 with 100. We know that ones place and tens place didn't change when they are added to 0. But in the hundreds place, it is changed. So there will be a change in hundreds place, not in ones place and tens place. Because we are adding 2 zeros in ones place and tens place with the number. And here in hundreds place, there is 1. So we can add 2 with 1. Get 3. Thus, 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Thus, 375 is the required value. Subtracting by multiples of 10. Follow the same procedure of addition for subtraction also. Instead of adding the numbers, subtract the numbers in the circle. Here, children, now we are going to subtract 10 from 625. We can write it as 625 minus 10. So, here multiples of 10. 10. So, here we are subtracting 10 from 625. Thus, there is no changes in the ones place. There will be a change in tens place. So, circle the digit which are in the tens place. Subtract 1 by 1 digit. 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0 is again 0. When we subtract 0 from 5, we get the number itself, the same number 5. And 2 minus 1. 5 minus 0, 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. Thus, we get 625 minus 10 is equal to, here for first digit, for ones place, we get 5. And for tens place, we get 1. And in the hundreds place, there is no changes. So, write down 6. Thus, we get 615, which is our required value. Example 6, subtract 50 from 981. So, we can write it as 981 minus 50. So, here 50 is the multiples of 10. Okay, now we are subtracting 50 from 981. So, there is no changes in ones place as well as in the hundreds place. There will be a change in tens place. So, circle the digits which are in the tens place. Now, children, 1 minus 0. So, subtract ones place. 1 minus 0 is 1. And subtract the digits which are in the tens place. 8 minus 5 is 3. Thus, our answer is 981 minus 50 gives, so in the ones place we get 1. In tens place we get 3. And there is no changes in hundreds place. The answer is 931. Now, subtracting by multiples of 100. So, multiples of 100, which means that there is no changes in ones place and tens place, and there will be a change in hundreds place. So, write down, we can write Subtract 400 from 546 as 546 minus 400. Now subtract ones place. There is no changes. 6 minus 0, 6. And subtract 4 minus 0. Subtract the digits in the tens place. 4 minus 0. There is no changes. So write down 4. And 5 minus 4. Yes, 400. 400 is the multiples of 100. Thus, there will be a changes in hundreds place. That is, subtracting the digits in the hundreds place. 5 minus 4. We get 1. Thus, the required answer will be 546 minus 400 is equal to 6 is a digit which is in the ones place, and 4 is a digit which will be in the tens place, and 1 the digit should be in the hundreds place. Thus the answer is. Children, now do the following problems. Add and subtract the following problems using multiples of 10, 100 mentally. 541 plus 10, 657 plus 100, 365 minus 300. The last problem is 895 minus